Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the current situation regarding Call of Duty on your Nintendo Switch. Many players are eager to enjoy this popular franchise on the go, but as of now, no official Call of Duty games are natively available for the original Nintendo Switch. This is primarily due to the console's technical specifications, which have made it challenging to port the graphically intensive titles. However, exciting developments are on the horizon for Nintendo gamers. The primary reason Call of Duty hasn't landed on the original Nintendo Switch is the demanding nature of the games. Modern Call of Duty titles are built for powerful hardware, featuring high-fidelity graphics, complex environments, and large player counts. The original Switch, while innovative, has different technical specifications, making it difficult to achieve the expected performance and visual quality without significant compromises. This has been a consistent challenge for developers. Looking ahead, there's great news for Nintendo fans. Microsoft and Nintendo signed a significant 10-year agreement to bring the Call of Duty franchise to Nintendo platforms. This landmark deal aims to deliver core Call of Duty games with full feature and content parity, launching on the same day as Xbox versions. While not confirmed for the original Switch, these titles are widely anticipated for the next-generation Nintendo Switch 2, expected to offer enhanced hardware capabilities. When Call of Duty eventually arrives on Nintendo's next console, you can expect a comprehensive experience, including campaigns, multiplayer, and zombies modes, matching other platforms. In the meantime, if you're eager to play, some unofficial methods like cloud streaming services might offer a way to access certain Call of Duty titles, though performance can vary. Alternatively, the current Nintendo Switch boasts many fantastic first-person shooters to enjoy right now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.